And we're back. So off camera, we tried doing a little bit of farming for experience and levels and stuff, but
distractions happen.
Right, because it's Kingdom Hearts and that shit does kind of happen.
Right.
Sometimes. We did actually. Colton found his way.
I was able to get up to that little area that Adam was trying to jump up to. I got the barrel at that strength.
Yay!
There's a barrel to the side over there where we can use it, climb up there and shit. But, you know, first attempt, Adam threw it at Goofy's dumb fucking mouth. Second attempt...
He looked hungry, shut up.
Second attempt, I threw it exactly where it needed to be. And Donald and I jumped on it at the same time, and it just crushed beneath our fat asses. Get the money, quickly! Get all the money, get all the power shards. Hurry! And also, I didn't even attempt to get the item up there, so let's do that right now.
Yeah, there are actually a few items. Fucking
bullshit!
Oh my god!
Don't go after it. It'll just disappear on its own. Come out!
Come out!
Yeah, he's like little Terry Bogard. Except he's... okay, good. He came up here on his own accord to fight.
You mean to get wrecked?
Yes.
W-R-E-K-T?
Now.
K-T?
Yeah, make sure your allies are nowhere near the vicinity of this barrel. Alright, awesome. This is how you do it, folks.
Dude, Donald tried to fucking jump.
Motherfucking piece of shit. Look at all this. Look at all this pup tier skill.
Pup tier?
Pup tier.
You mean pro tier?
Sure.
Motherfucker!
Whatever, fuck him. He made his choice in life. See, he just came back.
He's come back for more!
Now get up that ladder.
Don't tell me what to do.
Whatever.
You ain't my dad. Are you my dad?
No, I'm not.
Oh, good. Yeah, you ain't my dad.
If I was your father, that would, like...
I wouldn't want to be friends with you.
I would have time travel powers. And yeah. Yeah, you jump out there. And you gotta get on the... Fuck! No, it's okay. You just gotta go around. Yeah, our item of interest is on the roof.
Yes.
No, you can't do it. Oh, you can. Shit.
I gotta go around the other way.
Yeah, you get... Yeah. What are you trying to pull?
A fucking Batman, I guess?
No, you can't go...
Yes. Yes, you can.
You gotta go up the ladder.
No, you don't.
You don't?
No.
I think you're lying.
Oh, God. Oh,
yeah, see,
God.
You're gonna fuck up.
Oh, God.
See?
Oh, God.
You're fucking up.
No, I'm not. Shut up.
Oh, hey. Oh.
Yeah. Fuck you, Tibbs.
Oh, fuck me. Okay.
That's what I said.
Yeah. God damn. Alright. Well, again, in my defense, I haven't played this game in a while.
Nope. Oh my god.
These fuckers knock you off. Or not.
Woo.
Don't do that again. Goofy's dumbass can drop down there and just mystically come back. No, it's fine.
Oh, come on, go and kill that chick.
Where is she?
Oh
my god, okay.
There we go.
Yes, awesome.
Open it up before she responds. Protect chain. Was that a protect?
Protect chain.
Or protect?
Yeah, it's protect.
Stop yawning.
Ugh. You.
Me what?
You. Just you. Jump. Dolly, fucking asshole.
Goofy's like, don't worry.
No, Goofy just fucking plummeted to his death. And that building is just so high up we can actually see the curvature of this planet. This planet just consists of jungle, by the way.
Right. Well, yeah, that's what it, that was kind of the... Ow!
You do it. This is where the boss fight will happen.
Yep.
Very small, condensed area where the camera will fuck you.
Actually no, because I just gotta, like, focus on Clayton for the most part.
Clayton.
Clayton. Yeah, like cleats.
Yeah, Clayton. After his accidental suicide, he decided to make cleats.
Cleats?
Yeah.
Clayton the cleatist?
Oh god.
You're the one that fucking started this.
You're the one who made up the shitty joke. Clayton, stop, or else you're gonna fucking hang yourself. I know what I'm doing.
So how does it feel to not be the one that, you know, made a shitty joke this time?
Whatever.
Serious question.
At least I didn't come up with Clayton the cleatist.
I stand by my shitty jokes.
I abandon them on the side of the road. Once I figure out that they're not funny.
Okay, yeah.
Do it. So, do we... Yeah, what's the next, Oh, fuck it. Potion! What's the, next objective here to get further into this area and figure out?
We gotta go back to the campsite?
Gotta go back in time.
Yeah. Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Where we're going, we don't need to keep roads.
But yeah, gotta go back to the campsite. Shit'll happen, and then we gotta come back this way. Potion.
I'm gonna hunt down the gorillas just for revenge now.
That's right.
Ugh.
That's what I would do.
Blast the gorillas, how dare they dodge my bullets. I'm gonna hunt you down with an elephant gun, gorilla. Clayton, don't you think that's overkill? Fuck you!
Have you seen the size of that motherfucker?
They're gorillas. If I want to blast a fucking hole in their chest the size of Niagara Falls, I'm gonna fucking do it. But isn't that counterproductive? Because we kind of need their skin and materials to make, you know, stuff that we can sell off. Kill him.
I don't quite care about money anymore.
I'm just gonna kill these gorillas for fun. Can't you do something about that clock?
Yeah, it gives you like ingredient for thing.
Donald, we have to cook. God damn it.
We have to cook math.
Say my name. Sora? You're gosh darn right. Tarzan. Oh no. I do hope Mr. Clayton is safe, even though we're really fucking mad at him.
There it is.
Okay, cool.
I don't know why I didn't fucking do this earlier.
I don't know. Maybe it was that glitch.
You know, I actually ran into a glitch while playing Murdered.
Yeah, yeah, that glitch. That one. Oh shit, okay, final show.
Oh, you fucking dick.
Fucked you up. Okay. This is the final showdown.
Where the fuck is Donald and Goofy?
They're like, ooh, gosh.
The fuck away from me!
Fucking asshole.
There, now I'm gonna
be
fuck
so
you
tough
up. Oh shit.
It would be so tough if you were 600 pounds.
Right? Well, Yannick.
Ugh. Ugh.
Yannick's
Yeah,
for douches.
Yannick's for cowards. Do it.
Oh, don't you fucking run away.
He did that thing. No, he doesn't run away at this one. Max HP up. Max MP up.
And I'm pretty sure I get an item from him too. Where the fuck were you?
I'm here. It's okay, Sora. I'm a coward too.
Come on, Tarzan. Put on some fucking underwear.
White Fang.
Why's it gotta be white?
Because fucking tooth, man. Whooping Goldberg. Oh, I gotta go here. Oh fuck!
Fucking gorilla. Okay, so now I gotta go back to the canopy.
She's just like, oh. Aww. Rosie O'Donnell's really scared. Oh, that's the face of fear.
That's the face of fucking something. That is fucking awful.
We came here to get high as fuck. I mean, study gorillas.
Oh, cool. We're like killing them super fast now.
Yeah, because you leveled up once and you're good. Whoa, Goofy! Whoa! You can do it.
I want to see some fan art of just Goofy with a bloody ass fucking shield and a bunch of Heartless standing around him.
Gosh! It's a fucking bloodbath. He's just dressed up like General Patton. You sons of bitches! I read your book!
Oh, get your ass back here.
Mickey is just really fucking scared for his life because his best friend is a psychopath that kills stuff with his shield. He kills stuff with his shield as brutal as Tyrion did.
God damn it!
Whoa! What?
Goofy, stop it!
What is that? What just happened?
It's what happens when you slip over a banana peel.
Your money just fucking jettisons from your person like Sonic the Hedgehog?
Yes, and I just fucking lost a good portion of it.
Whatever.
God damn it. All because Goofy couldn't not... I'm gonna fucking kill him.
He is dumb. Oh, I gotta do push-ups now. Oh, I'm back up.
Fire!
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 Stand up. Oh, dude, he's like really up. What is?
Fuck! I pushed the wrong button. Get out of here.
Well, you fucked up.
You fucked up.
You fucked up.
Shut up.
You. Yes.
Shut up.
What's wrong, Tarzan? Jane, how do you know?
I know, right?
Stop looking at my balls.
What?
What? Sora's just like really confused about his sexuality.
I don't get it.
You don't want to save your game?
Nope.
No.
Because we'll have to come back through this way anyway.
Come on!
Okay. Fight fire! Oh, dude, you stubbed that monkey's toe.
Sucks to suck, monkey.
Monkey.
Monkey. Johnny Bravo.
Johnny Bravo.
That's a show that needs to come back on the air.
Not rebooted. Just it needs to come back.
Thumbs up if you agree Johnny Bravo needs to come back on the air.
Also, like, comment, subscribe.
If you haven't already.
Because we're not desperate. Good lord. You can do it. Alright. Now, hopefully, things will go according to plan.
Well, we'll see.
We will, yes. Hippo's Lagoon.
Gouarch.
Gosh, those hippos look fucking hungry. Hope they don't eat my gummies.
Day gummies.
Oh, fuck. Alright, good.
What the fuck are you laughing at?
I'm laughing at stuff that I'm thinking about in my head, and I'm actually kind of...
You're telling yourself jokes?
Like, I'm thinking about conveying, or like saying what I'm thinking about, but at the same time, I don't want to piss anybody off.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
I'm just thinking about how Goofy is just this closet homosexual.
I'm failing to understand what the hell you're saying.
I'm having fun. just Just break open that giant cantaloupe and fucking eggplant. That's the right one. Tarzan, help!
Bitch, do something yourself.
You got a gorilla with you. Just have the gorilla break the vines.
Right?
Don't you have scan? Oh, okay, never mind.
Yes.
I thought scan, but whatever. I thought
that thing didn't actually like have.
I thought that thing had a health bar. Never mind.
What are you, some sort of smart asshole?
Yeah, I like to think so.
Clan came to the tent and oh,
Clitoris came to the tent.
That's the last thing she remembers. Rifnall.
Clayton. Oh wait, wrong way. I can't. I got. You can do it.
Where does this go? Treetop.
Yeah, you gotta go backwards.
Nope.
Whatever. You'll fight
Because
Cleton.
this.
Oh, that thing. Yeah.
Bam.
Mega Ether.
Mega Issa.
Because we
We'll
need
jump
that to
down
pick
here.
up drugs.
And then we'll stop by the camp. And then we'll pick up Tarzan in exchange for probably Donald.
Fuck Donald.
Yeah, we'll get rid of Donald.
Donald
Because-
sucks at everything.
Yeah, he does.
And he just sucks.
He sucks until you get Cure.
Yeah, okay. I believe that.
Because then it's just like, he can cast Cure a bunch of times, and you can essentially turn him into a support character.
And then Goofy. All you need Goofy for is just wrecking shit.
Yeah, Cock Rocket Goofy.
Cock Rocket Goofy. Oh my god.
Come on.
You do it.
Yeah, fucking Donald, you dick!
God forbid you can't just run past these enemies just to get to the tent over there.
No, because experience.
Come on.
Even 1 XP is worth it.
Oh yeah, at early levels it is.
Oh, that was 4. Never mind.
Come on.
Fuck you, monkey.
Do you remember IR Baboon?
I have no idea what Ira Baboon
Or,
is.
I'm sorry, I Am Weasel?
Oh, yeah, oh my god, yeah, the Weasel and Baboon cartoon.
Yeah, and the monkey short that they used to do.
Oh my
They used to
God.
do it on that, and then they used to do it on Dexter's Lab.
Oh, dear God.
It was fucking awesome.
Wasn't that skit, like, only shown on Cow and Chicken, though?
No, it was on Dexter's Lab because he was Dexter's monkey.
Oh, huh, weird. Yeah, that's... Wait, what?
I pushed select instead of start.
Oh, okay. And select just puts you in, like, a first-person mode?
Cheer!
Huh. That's cool, I guess. Yeah, equip White Fag. Fuck yeah.
That's why I only have, that's why I have as much HP as Goofy.
Why don't you get rid of that Inferno chain? Or Inferno.
Because it increases defense.
Oh, okay, cool. I suppose I could dig it.
You better.
As I lick my lips for the audience.
Yeah, I'm not equipping Tarzan with shit.
Mr. Tibbs, never do that fucking thing again.
Please don't.
Please.
Oh, I gotta save, damn it.
Right. That very important thing that we should do. Oh god, that's like a really short story that I need to say. Have you ever had that moment where it's like you've been playing a game for quite some time and you haven't saved and there's a thunderstorm going on outside?
Yes. Yes.
That is the shittiest possible thing you could possibly ever happen to you.
So check this out. At the beginning of this episode, we were at level 11. We are now at level 14.
Milestone! Woo!
Woo!
Still can't equip Sonic Blade.
That's okay. I can get rid of Slapshot for Sonic Blade.
Awesome. Now we're golden.
Get rid of Jackpot for Charge.
Tarzan has all of that.
Yeah,
all the shit.
Tarzan needs Critical Plus.
Get rid of wind armor?
No, because it reduces the amount of damage he takes.
Oh, okay, whatever. How about asp bite? Ass bite.
We can get ass bite. We can get rid of. Well, let's put that one on first. Because he needs these critical pluses, otherwise he won't do dick for damage.
Huh. Get rid of... Yeah, give her a second chance.
Okay.
Yeah. And now some people who are like really hardcore into Kingdom Hearts are like, you fucking idiot!
You're doing it wrong! You're supposed to keep all of his attacks on! Oh, fuck you.
Fucking asshole, you're supposed to put second wind on Tarzan. You're playing the whole game wrong.
You fucking... Oh, shit.
You should end your LP now, you fucking scrub.
You fucking casual.
Fight me, IRL. Oh, dear God. Okay. We're not going in that fucking territory.
Yeah, nobody wants to fucking fight with anybody from the internet. Because they're all so scared.
Nobody wants to fight IRL.
See ya.
No one wants to come at the Scrub Lord because he is indeed ripped. Oh, good lord. Oh no, my tummy rumbling.
Oh, you're
Fuck.
hungry? Are
I
you
should have ate
hungry?
that cookie.
Are you really hungry?
No, not really.
Sucks to
like,
suck!
It's just...
Okay, so we're gonna end this
Yeah.
episode here so Tips can feed his fucking stomach. And so we can get ready for this final
check
fight.
that shit out.
Oh, gross. So we'll see you guys on the next episode of Bearded Mushroom Gaming. Bye!
Bye.